Hi guys, it's well done Ara. My name is Ara and today we're gonna do some bomb twist or spring twist, however we call it. Stay tuned and watch me slay this look. Please make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you. All the products that I use for this hairstyle, as well as the hair. I have my detangling comb and my detangling products. We're gonna jump right into it. So right here I am getting ready to detangle my hair, and I will tell y'all, if you have 4C hair, you already know the struggle. Like, I literally have to use a lot of products to detangle my hair. I spray leave-in conditioner, I spray in some water, a pick, a white tooth comb, and all these different items. I don't even know why I was laughing right here. It hurts so bad. But usually when I do my hair, I split it in 4 sections. This hair I got it from Amazon. It was $16 for 2 packs. 2 packs is all you need, guys. Very affordable. Yes, super springy, super fun. I will leave the hair description down below for y'all to check that out. Okay, so basically when you take the hair out of the pack, you want to pull each side of the piece so it can be separated really easily. And I'm not even gonna lie, this hair tangled a lot during the braiding process. I will put another clip in and how I struggled with this hair, but at the end I finally figured out how to basically get it detangled with no problem. So right here, this is my favorite gel, Shine and Jam, honey. I love some Shine and Jam. It's my favorite gel. I braid with it all the time. So I have done 5 braids so far and it took me 10 minutes. So I am gonna go ahead and braid the back, and I will come back and show y'all the front. Okay, so I am back with another clip on showing you guys how I basically separate this hair. I separated my hair into 3 sections. So I pulled both sides of the hair all the way down, holding it very firmly all the way down, and I went ahead and split it into 3 sections, and that's how I was able to cover majority of my hair, splitting the hair into 3. Yes, this hair tangled a lot, y'all. So just be patient if you are going to try out this hairstyle. Get ready to have some patience and detangle. You can split this hair in 2, but I wanted my twist to be kind of small, so I went ahead and did 3 parts. Okay guys, I know by now you guys have probably noticed I am a first timer in this business. Unfortunately for this part of the video, my camera was not centered in the middle, so you can barely see what I'm doing with my fingers and crisscrossing it. But if you guys want me to do like a detailed how to braid tutorial, I can do that for y'all. But right here I just basically braid my hair in 3, and then when it's good enough for me to get my hand off, like I just did right now, I basically start twisting it in 2, if that makes sense. So I do 3s to start, 3 strand braids to start, and then I do maybe like 5 seconds of that, and then I go into the twist. And I always twist alongside my Shine and Jam gel. It makes twisting so much easier, and it doesn't hurt your hand as much because this hair is a little rough. But if you braid with some gel, you should be fine. when you twist, you're basically just crossing it over, just doing a crisscross really lightly. You don't want to apply a lot of pressure when twisting, because you won't get a certain type of curl, if that makes sense. The more pressure you apply, the straighter your hair is gonna be. But since you want the hair to be curly when it's twisted, you just want to cross over lightly, if that makes sense. So when you get to the end, you're going to use a pair of scissors and cut off some of the parts that are kind of fuzzy, as I'm doing right here. And there you have it. It's a spring twist. I am basically gonna fast forward this whole entire process. If you guys want me to do a detailed tutorial on how I braid or how I twist, let me know in the comment section below. But it was really late at night when I filmed this video, so just kind of excuse my face during the process. I was really tired, but I was burnt on trying to finish this video process, because recording and braiding are it's very time consuming and it's harder. So I just went ahead and sped this whole process up, and I will see you guys at the end. Okay guys, we made it to the end of the video, and I am loving the spring twist, bomb twist, whatever. So I didn't even use up to 2 packs. I ended up using just 1.5 packs for this look. I am in love with the look, and it took 2 days, but in combination it probably took about 6 hours to do. But yeah, subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Bye for now. Thank you.